Alright, let's see what my subscribers loop sounds like. Make sure to check out the link in the description to follow the Discord, join the family. What are you waiting for? So fuck with this one. That one hard, bro. Let's pitch it down. It needs to start right away, like this. I think right here I want a different type of 808, more of like a punchy Z 808. So we're working with 3 808s, 2 808s layered, and then one for like the verse or bridge type of stuff. You feel me? That you need, copy that over. That is hidden. Yeah, that just gives like the melody a little bit more body, and just to like switch it up a little bit more. I might just pitch it up. That's beautiful. Yeah. Hey. Bro, that is hidden. Right here, take the drums off. That's crazy. If you want me to cook up with your loop, make sure to drop some fire loops through the link in the description to join the Discord and drop some fire loops there. I'll be checking them from time to time. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. All the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description as well. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @gunnabeats. Yes sir. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.